I do want to go outside real quick just to get it on video. This is crazy.